guys, have you ever wondered how some people can achieve their goals so effortlessly and while some of them have to struggle a lot? Maybe it's because of their luck, or maybe it's something else. To know what it is, you have to watch this vlog till the end because I, my dear friends, have did some research and I was like flabbergasted. I was like, OMG. Okay, so but before that, let me just give you a warm welcome to my vlog. Hello and how are you, my beautiful lost souls? Welcome to being the limitless version of yourself, just with Tattva, the essence of life. Welcome guys. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. Today we are going to talk about how somebody gets whatever they want in their life so effortlessly while some of them have to struggle a lot. Okay, it's not that they do not have to struggle. They do struggle. It's just that their struggle is not upfront. So you may not see it like a struggle. They do it so effortlessly that we feel, oh, it's just the part of their life. For example, I had went to a party of my friend's engagement where I met one of my common friends. पार्टी थी तो ऑब्वियसली कोई अच्छे से रेस्टोरेंट में किया था हम लोग ने एंड इट वाज हिज एंगेजमेंट पार्टी सो वी हैड ऑर्डर्ड लॉट ऑफ स्टफ लाइक pizzas and pastas and all the junk you name it and was plated on our table like a giant buffet for us. So yes, but when it came to my friend, he said that I would like a plate of salad and I was like, bro, do you remember you are at a party and not at your regular gym? He was like, I know that, but I would really like to go for salad. We all had tried to inform him or make him see that we are not going to share our burgers, pizzas if you do not order your own plate of food. He's like, yeah, it's okay guys, I'm okay with this. And we said, okay, if you say so. Party was just getting at the mood, मतलब vibe पूरी बन ही रही थी. It was like 10 in the night and he said his goodbyes. We were like, bro, mummy डांटेगी क्या? He's like, it's not about mom darling. It's just that I'm just too tired. I just need some break. I need my nap. I said, okay bro, but we are planning to go for a long drive, night out. It's going to be chill and out. Why don't you sleep in the car? He's like, no, that would give me aches in my neck and all those stuff. I cannot afford it. I need to sleep. मैंने कहा देख दोस्त, कल तेरी कोई जिम क्लासेस नहीं है, ना ही तुझे कुछ है, कल तेरा छुट्टी है. Why don't you just have fun tonight and take rest tomorrow full day? He's like, nah, Dani, I'm good, thank you, but I really need to be at home. I have this course also to finish it off and all the stuff. He started making list of excuses and I was like, okay, you can go, your wish. फिर पूछना मत. He's like, okay. After that, we met few more times here and there, but he never asked me about the news and party में क्या हुआ. Few weeks ago when I met him, I was at a cafe. He came there to get his own coffee, so we had crossed paths again this time. But this time he dropped by to say hi and he said, can I join you for a coffee? It would just take few minutes and we can catch it up if you're not busy, I guess. I was busy on my laptop, so I just said, yeah, I do always have time for my friend. And from there, we started this conversation about how life is going on and all those stuff. So I said that, yeah, I had read few of your articles. He was been published for his, workouts and trainer and all those stuff. I said, yeah, I have read few of the articles. And I asked him, I could not stop myself because everybody wants to be successful. Come on, let's be honest. Not in his field, but in our own field. So I asked him, bro, if you don't mind me asking, can I ask you one thing? How is it possible for you to achieve your goals so easily and so quickly and effortlessly, while rest of us are still struggling in our life? If you see your whole group of friends are not as successful as you are. And he made me remind that party scene. He asked me, Tanvi, do you remember that party? I said, which one? He's like, engagement wala. I was like, oh yes, how can I forget? You left so early, we had so much fun, we did this. He was like, yeah, I know, don't talk about it. Just Answer me, do you remember what I had ordered? Like, oh, of course, we'll forget that. Engagement party में तूने salad मंगवाया था, bro. He was like, exactly. He told me, Tanvi, if I want to become something different, then I need to be different. If I do same thing as the world, I would be just like them right now, wouldn't it? And that struck me hard, guys. That really struck me hard. And I asked him, that's why you left early, because sleeping is most important. He was like, you are getting there, not bad, not bad. And I was like, fuck. So it's all about discipline, you say. He said, yeah, give or take, less or more. But yes, discipline is the key to success. I was like, but for you it's so easy. I mean, you just have to go to gym. You love doing that. So it's so easy for you. For us it's difficult because he said, stop there. What makes you think that it's easy for me and difficult for you? What makes you think that I love going to gym every day and face all those bullshit things? I mean, doing hard workouts. Who loves doing hard workouts? I mean, I definitely do not. Like, but bro, you do it so effortlessly. You go it every day. You do it every day. You get successful because of that. You like that. I mean, he said, Tanvi, I do it every day because that's discipline that I have maintained for myself. But that doesn't mean that I love doing it. Yaka, you do not love going to gym, you said. It's like, no, I get tired. I feel like, let's skip today. I don't want to go today. But I usually overcome that because I know what would be the effect of that. If I skip once, it would be easy for me to skip twice, thrice, and as many times I wish. So, that would not let me lead to a path where I am right now. That's why I go every day. And that's when it struck me that even Mr. Ronaldo said the same thing, that he never likes to go to gym or eat those salad. He also wants to have the hamburger like rest of their friends, and he also wants to skip going to gym, but he does not do that because he wants to be successful. And that's why he is successful. Same goes with Mr. Dhoni. I mean, his friends, his colleagues who plays match with him have always said that हम जब भी पार्टी के लिए जाते हैं, धोनी सर हमेशा जल्दी निकल लेते हैं, बोलते हैं मुझे सोना है, नहीं हो सकता है ये वो करके. तो हम लोग को भी गुस्सा आता था कि भाई क्या इतना सोना करके. But now he has reached to a level where nobody else is. So the moral of the story, guys, that I'm trying to tell you over here is discipline is the key to success. Is what my friend have taught me, and I'm here to tell you that discipline is the most important key to success, and creating a healthy habits is also a part of it. These people usually teaches us that to become successful, you have to lose yourself. You have to stop at a point where you feel drained out. When you start going to gym first time, you would be enthusiastic. Second day, you would still be enthusiastic. After a week, you might feel like let's skip it for this week. I promise I'll go with next week. Like जैसे कि आज मैंने सोचा यार आज मुझे ब्लॉग नहीं डालना है, छोड़ो यार जाने दो, next week डालूंगी. But no, I said Tanvi, you need to get up, because if you want to be successful, you have to be consistent. You have to be disciplined. If you say you will be providing it on every Wednesday, you will be here to provide the bloody vlog, no matter what. So my dear friends, being successful is not as effortlessly easy for everybody. Everybody struggles. It's just that people hide it in form of discipline, and we feel, oh, it's so easy for them. No, it's never easy to be successful. It takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of efforts, which you need to put in. They are ready to do it, and we are not, and that's why we have not reached to that level of success. Okay? So your task for this week is pick up those shit that you have always, neglected or, basically postponed it कि नहीं मैं कल करूँगी, procrastinated it like नहीं बाद में करूँगी, आज नहीं, आज जाने देते. Pick up that thing, do it for next 21 days or 7 days at least, and see the result that you see. Whenever you feel like not doing it, tell your brain, 5 minutes कर ले, फिर देखा जाएगा जो होगा. And then you can leave. And that would help you to do that shit. एक बार शुरू कर दिया तो you won't stop, I'm sure, right? So take this task as your challenge for this week. Do it and let me know in the comment section what do you think, what is the change of scenario that you have faced, and we'll see you next week again on the same time, same place. Till that time, hasta la vista, sayonara, and harium, guys.